way, Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes, ideas, and things that you like to make at home. In your kitchen today, I want to make you something really fantastic, lovely, and nice. We want to make you a nice, lovely rocket salad. Alright, also I have some green beans which I'm gonna pop straight so inside of it. The green beans I'm gonna bring in a nice lovely flavor, and also we have some cucumber which I'm going to be put some cucumber also inside of it. I love my cucumber, guys, and honestly cucumber is just really nice and lovely. So if I put some cucumber inside of it like this, that's gonna make a green leaf salad. Alright, then next we have an orange, which we're going to be remove the skin from the orange, and we're gonna cut up the orange and put it straight inside of it. That's gonna bring in a lovely flavor to it also. And the orange is just for color. Nice and lovely. So, where's my oil? This is my olive oil. I'm gonna pop a little bit of olive oil also on it. Just wanna keep it really simple and unique with my green apple also. Nice and lovely. That's the green apple which we're gonna put it inside of it also. Nice and lovely. So what I'm gonna do is simple. Put on the gloves. Now this recipe is very easy and unique, guys. Now I mean, mix up everything together. And I'm gonna pop everything inside of this bowl just like this. Keep it natural and really authentic. Lovely, simple, neatly, nicely. And I know you guys 100% will love this recipe. Just something just different and unique. Green salad with some rocket and orange and cucumber, and also a little bit of olive oil. Mix it up together, and honestly it's just a nice simple little dish, simple little salad where you can bring at work to share with your family, your friends, your co-worker, and tell them you saw this lovely simple recipe in the summer. Just keep the summer really smooth and nice, just like this. Please enjoy the recipe, subscribe, leave a comment in the description box. We got a lot more recipes coming.